Hi there! Today we'll have some fun to create a unique click effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. At first, remove the color of this beautiful girl to black and white by pressing Ctrl or Command Shift U. Then, duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J. Click to the FX icon and select Blending option. In the Advanced Blending, we will turn off our channel, which means red. Use Move tool, V shortcut, and slightly move it to left or right to offset this layer from the original. You can also use the keyboard cursor key to move the layers. Now you see anaglyph effect. Click to Rectangle Mercury tool and draw a rectangle across a portion of the image. Switch back to the Move tool and take this selection to the left or right to offset it. Use Ctrl or Command D to deselection. Now you get the ideas. Just keep repeat these steps for create the effect. You can increase or decrease the size of rectangular to make it unique.
I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
Once you're finished, click to the page icon to create a new layer and fill white color to it by pressing Alt or Option Delete. Before that, make sure the foreground color is white. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Open the Sketch folder if it's not, and select Halftone Pattern. Ensure the pattern type is line, size is 3, and contrast is 50, then OK. Change blending mode from normal to overlay. It's quite intense, so I'll reduce the fill to 20%. Next, add color to it. Pick any texture that you'd like to add to the image. I'll take this one, just copy it to our project. Press Ctrl or Command T. Rotate it to vertical by right-click to the texture and select Rotate 90 degrees. Expand it to cover the photo and enter. Just change to overlay in blending mode and see the difference. Create a level adjustment layer and increase black from 0 to 8. It's nearly done. Let's add some text to it. Choose layer 1 and select Text tool. Click and type the text that you want to show. You can increase the text size in the Text tool or use Ctrl or Command T to adjust the size. Right-click to the text layer and choose rasterize type. Duplicate with Ctrl or Command J. Open blending option and turn off our channel just like the begin step. Now move it to left or right to create the effect. Select the SADESIGN layer. Remove green and blue channel in blending option to add another color effect to the text. Take SADESIGN copy layer. Use rectangular Mercury tool to offset the text just like the girl photo. Repeat this step to create unique look. Open blending option again, check to outglow, reduce the opacity to 30%. Size is around 16 pixels and OK. Similarly, we'll add outglow effect to SADESIGN layer. This time, increase the size to 59 and opacity to 53%. Alright, enjoy your work. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.